Hey guys, it's Dimo from Dimo's Tech, and today we're checking the Niimbot D101 labeler or sticker maker, sticker printer, label printer, however you want to call it. Let's begin. Okay, so I'm not really sure how to use this, so let's look at the manual. There are a few apps, that's one thing I know, and this is a version that works with a little bit bigger labels and also the smaller ones, and it's with USB-C. To be honest, I actually bought this version for the USB-C and not because of the bigger labels, but bigger labels might be nice as well. So we need to install the tape a little bit better, not like how it's here. Let's check. I need to grab the beginning. Oh, so maybe we do need to pull this out, and here, that's what it says. Okay, yeah, so yeah, we do need to grab that label and put it here, and then we probably need to somehow put, let's see where it was. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so we do need to place it. Not fully sure how, but I think somewhere like this. I mean, it's sticking here. I'm not really sure if that's how it's supposed to be, but I think so. And let's see. I think we need to power it up, and let's bring the phone. Now there are two apps, one called Niimbot, one called Neem. I'm not really sure what's the difference. I think we need to probably connect it. First of all, let's go to the Bluetooth settings, and probably need to turn it on. Maybe something like that. And my guess, it will recognize it. Here it is, D100. I don't know why, but I see two of them. Let's try the first one, I guess. Okay, hit pair, and I'm not fully sure if that's it or not. Yeah, we can see it here in the settings. Okay, let's go back to the app. Now, my guess we can just try and create something. Not fully sure. We have some sort of label here inside. Let's try and look maybe what type of label it is, because I'm not fully sure. We have 12 on 40, 160, and that's probably what we need to also choose here. Let's see. So I'm guessing, let's go here. Maybe, yeah, we can try to use some templates probably. Let's see if we have some general. Now, I have no freaking idea how to use it. This is my first time trying it. Okay, we have something called T12 22. No, that's not what we need. We need 12 on 40. 12 on 40, and I don't see it yet. Let's see. Maybe we can just probably write it here and find it like that. Doesn't find like that anything. Yeah, but that's not white. Maybe there is white. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, here it is. Pretty sure that's the one. Okay. Click on the picture to edit. Okay. And my guess, we just do it like that. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, you do have a sort of a manual. Double click to edit text. Okay, let's double click it. I think we already let's write something like subscribe, and one of the lights is out, but yeah, you can still see, right? Now let me put back the label, and maybe we can try to print something. I think something like that. Not fully sure. Yeah, so this is on. Let's hit confirm, and I have no idea what's going on here. We have a lot of things. Let's just try to print a label. So we have that, we have, oh, printer unconnected. Okay, unconnected. Now it will be, yeah, now it's connected. Great. we have some settings and things, and print density, okay, seems good. Let's try that. Inconsistent label paper. The label paper T1240 is recognized. Do you want to replace it? But that's what we chose, I think. But yeah, let's replace it, I guess. It still seems to look the same, so I guess we can just try again and print it. This time it knows what we actually have, and that's it. And I think, yeah, that. And yeah, we have our subscribe label, and this should be, yeah, it is resistible. It should be pretty much waterproof and everything. I'm not really sure if it's waterproof or something, but yeah. And yeah, we have our label, and we can pretty much design whatever we want. So yeah, that's quite a cool thing. And yep, that's a pretty cool printer. It's a little bit hefty. It's not very small. There is a smaller version, D11 I think, or something. But that one is with a micro USB, and that's the reason that I didn't like it. But yeah, you can grab this printer from AliExpress, from Amazon, from multiple other locations probably as well. Obviously, the links will be in the description of this video. Hope you like this thing. Quite convenient. I'm going to label all my batteries, all my lens caps, and other things at home, and not only at home probably, so that's quite usable. Thank you for watching this Dino's Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.